Today I am introduced Aircel Pocket Internet Super Pro 3G speed 7.2 MB per second. In this box, contents are this is call center information and contact numbers. This is warranty card. And quick start. This means how to use in this device. Guidance with images. This is the safety information. How to maintenance in this device. Qualification certificate. IMEI number. Key features: HS, UPA, HSD, PA, UMT, EDG, GPRS, GSM. Upload speed up to 5.76 MB per second. Download speed with 7 Mbps per second. Micro SD card slot. System requirements: Windows 7, Vista, Service Pack 1, Service Pack 2, XP, Service Pack 2, Service Pack 3, Ubuntu. Display resolution 800. Now I am opening this cap. This is the SIM slot and this is micro SD slot. I am insert Aircel SIM in SIM slot. Insert SD card in SD slot. Close the cap. Now I am connect modem to USB port. Display message below WCDMA. This means 3G signals are available in this place. Profile name are Aircel. Select Aircel and press connect. Then connecting Aircel net, 3G net. Click on check usage and type *126 *4 #. Then our GPRS balance are display 1549 MB or 1.549 GB. I am open Google Chrome browser. So browsing is begin and enjoy 3G net. Now I am checking Gmails, online shopping, and see YouTube videos. and see Telugu latest movie news. See posters, collecting posters. And booking Indian Railway tickets. Bed reservation status. Booking movie tickets from my house anyway. Thanks to watching my video, and to see all other videos, my channel name www.youtube.com by Gupta Videos.